Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple accounts on your X. So next thing you need to do is open your X, which is your Twitter account. Now you want to have more than one account on your Twitter account. How do you go about it? Let's get started. So once you open your Twitter account, what you need to do is you're going to click on this your J icon. After that, you can see scroll up. When you scroll up, you're going to click on your settings here. Once you click on your settings here, click on settings and privacy. Then you scroll down, click on your account. Now you can see, oh sorry guys, so what you need to do is click on this jar icon, and after that click on this icon here. Now you're going to see create new account. Just click on creating an account, and here you can add another account to your Twitter account. You can create another one through your Google, and you can create another one as a new one. So that's very easy. So, and if you have an A61 already, you can click on this one, click on this icon, and now click on add an A16 account. So you just have to log in into it, and you'll be able to switch between the two accounts. So if you want to switch between the two accounts, what you need to do is just come to this share button. If you come to this share button, come here, just click on it, and here you're going to see another account here. You can just switch on the two accounts very easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, push more the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in our next video.